In this video, we'll install, configure and onboard different applications in the Frame Sandbox so they can be accessed via the Frame Launchpad, launch link or progressive web application. I'm Ruben, Field CTO, and I want to show you in less than 3 minutes how Frame is making desktop as a service really simple. Let's start by accessing the Frame Account Administrator interface to create a backup of the sandbox before making any changes. So we can always revert back to a good running state when needed. Next, we'll power on the sandbox and start a Frame session. If you want to manually onboard an existing application to your Frame account, right-click on the application icon and select Onboard to Frame from the Windows context menu. The Onboard New Application message will pop up and simply select OK to confirm. When you install your application or suite of applications, the Frame Guest Agent will detect that new applications have been added and a pop-up window will appear so you can onboard one or multiple applications at once. As a best practice, run your applications to ensure everything is working as expected. Also configure your applications and operating system settings in the sandbox. Disabling automatic application and OS updates, especially when your Frame account is non-persistent, is a good practice as well. Great! Your applications are installed, configured and onboarded, which means they are ready to be accessed from the Frame Application Launchpads. The Frame Application Launchpad provides access to individual applications via a Launchpad, launch link or progressive web applications, which is why onboarding is such a valuable practice.
Wow, time flies. We're already at the end. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.